Ready to unlock the secrets of Forex trading? Let's get started. Forex, or the foreign exchange market, is where currencies are bought and sold 24/5. It's like a global marketplace without a central hub, just banks, brokers, and traders working together. Forex trading means buying one currency while selling another. You profit by speculating on price movements. Currencies are traded in pairs like EUR-USD, where the first is the base, and the second is the quote currency. From banks and corporations to individual traders, everyone can join the Forex party. Central banks even use it to stabilize economies. The Forex market runs in 4 main sessions: Sydney, Tokyo, London, and New York. The best trading opportunities when sessions overlap. Forex offers high profit potential, but it comes with risks. Leverage can boost gains but also magnify losses. Proper risk management is key. Forex trading can be rewarding if approached with knowledge and discipline. Want to learn more? Subscribe and turn on notifications for more trading tips.